So, hello everyone. Let's start. So, today we are going to solve the problem valid parenthesis. It's a very easy problem and it's a easy problem lead code. So, let's just go ahead with it. So, we all know there's like three types of bracket, that is square, circle and curly. So, basically what you have to do is we have to just return if the brackets are in, so open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets, and they should be in correct order. So these are conditions given, so we just need to check if these conditions are being followed and return true or false respectively. It's pretty simple. So now what we have to do is, we have already been given a string s, and s has all the brackets. So let's just iterate through the whole, what is the whole string. How do we iterate that? Using a for loop. Okay, so using a for loop, we'll iterate through the whole thing. Now let's see. So if a okay, so I'm going to take ending brackets. I'm going to only going to write conditions for the ending brackets. Ending brackets are like the closing bracket, this and this. You'll understand in a while why. So let's see, if s of I is equal to what, s of I is equal to closing bracket of circle. Let's take circle first. So if there's the case, then in this one more condition is there. So yeah, before this we need, I'm going to declare stack of size char, uh, of data type char, and let's call this stack. So if stack dot empty, what does stack dot empty? A stack dot empty basically returns if returns true if it's empty, it returns false if it's not empty. So we are conditioned if it's not empty. If it's not empty, if the stack is not empty, okay, actually, if the stack is empty, if the stack is empty, we have to return false. Why? Because if you have a closing bracket and the stack is empty, then what are you going to close? There's no open bracket to close. So this is done. Now, if stack of, yeah, if stack dot top is equal to it's this brackets opening bracket, that is this one. If this is the case, then simple, we just have to pop the stack, and yeah, let's just pop the stack, and after this, yeah, so let's just pop the stack. So yeah, these two conditions are there. So now what do you have to do? We just oh, it ran by mistake. This is not gonna work. And I, it's probably okay. Now it's fine. Okay, so let's copy paste. So we are going to use this for all the other brackets also. So else if and else if. So I'm copy pasting the code because it's same. So this is for square, here square, and the conditions stay same, and here also curly. And oh no, wait, this is opening. Yeah, and this one's also opening. And this one's closing. Okay, so now we have written condition for all of this. Now, so this is the conditions for what? These are the conditions for closing brackets, all the other three closing brackets. But what if an open bracket comes of any of these close brackets? So what we just simply have to just do stack dot push. Simply just do stack dot push of s of I. That's all you have to do. And yeah, that's our code. So now after all of this, now we have to return. Yeah. So if at the end we need to check if stack dot empty. Why? Because if it's a valid one, then it will be empty at the first, because every all the brackets are balanced. stack of empty is true, that means return true, else false, and just write return false here. Yeah, let's run and check. Oh, let's go. It's accepted. Everything is accepted. It's pretty rare. Okay, so we have a problem. So output is giving true for this, but actually it's false. As you can see that okay, so for this, yeah, so there's one more condition. So basically, I forgot to write this condition. So basically, there's one more case. What happens is, so all of them will follow this condition. What happens is that now you can see this square bracket. It has no opening bracket on top of this. So if it doesn't find that, now let's see that this one's it comes in this it comes in this one, and then it goes here and then it checks that this is not the case. So it just, if this is the case, then it pops, but if this is not the case, then we just have to return false, because then it's not valid at all. Okay, now let's submit and check. Okay, that's done. So yeah.